Hey, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain Idikureke Udofia, and I want to quickly give you guys this signal. So I'm in my zone for the pounds USD, and technically, as you can see, this has already started rejecting this point. And for further confirmation, I have a newly built demand area here, and then the price came back to this level, and then it's taking off. Remember, this is a $50 account that we're trying to grow to, you know, 1,000 probably in a month's time. So stick with me as I'm taking this trade. Now I am looking at having a 0.01 lot size now because I have, made extra money from it. So this is what I intend to do. I'm going to be having 1 year, and then my stop loss is just a little bit below this point, which is 500 pips or 50 pips. And then I'm going to be creating an additional buy level here, and the reason for buying it is because I see a double tops or a double bottom here. So I expect the market to kind of come clear it and then continue to go forward. So I'm going to leave it somewhere around here so that I don't miss the trade. Maybe he didn't get to this point, but I don't miss the trade to get into this. I don't miss to get into this trade. So that's what it is. So now, if I have my entry here, my first entry here, my first take profit is somewhere around here. That's one. Second take profit would be, let me see. I have a liquidity area here. I also have another liquidity on this level here. All right. Second, so this is my first take profit, second take profit, then last take profit will be somewhere around that level. Now, if I go to the daily, I'm going to be showing you some stuff there. So on my daily, you could see my liquidity areas. Um, Now, this is a resistance area in the market. Now, this resistance area is, how do I put it? 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 Okay, I don't know how to put it, but we're also expecting the market. Like if you see, I have this big demand area here because this is all coming from the daily. So if we want to do a drop down analysis, technically, let me even give you guys a tip on analyzing the drop down analysis of the market. We see this last candle that closed bullish. And if you notice all the way from here, it's been on a bullish trend. It's bullish. The market is going long. So right now the market is retracing because it touched this level part here. And on that's on the monthly. You could even see it very nicely on the monthly. But now it's been rejected on the monthly time frame. But at the same time, on the daily, we are now back to a demand area. So that is why I have that trade there for the demand area. And I'm praying that that stuff goes to pick my next entry. But let's see how it goes. So what else? What else? What else? So that's what you see basically. And on the 4 hours time frame, I see that we are really on the demand zone. But if you notice down here, this is where you have what is it called again? You have a double bottom around here, maybe on the 15 minute or 30 minutes time frame. So this is a key area for me. This is another key area for me. So what I would do is to lower my entry, my second entry a little bit down here, okay, and then move my stop loss to this next level of my order blocks. Now, if I do a, let me see what I'm risking. So if I'm risking about $53 of my account, I think it's still fair. The chances is that I can still, definitely I can still hold this trade. So for that reason, I will be moving my second entry to this level here. My second entry will be here. So I'll move this a little bit further down. Be moving this a little bit further down. So let me even use this opportunity to also say this. So when you take an entry, for those who have emotional, because trading is also emotional. So for those who is taking this trade, a quick tip before you feel like, oh, this trade is not going to my direction, let me close out on the trade. Always remember to give your trade time, at least an hour or two, to know if it's going your way or not. You should be comfortable with your stop loss. That's one. Know your stop loss level. And when you put in your stop loss, just be comfortable with where you have your stop loss. And I think that way you won't have to be going in and out of any trade that you open. So that's a quick tip, because people get like frightened when trades are not actually going to that direction. It's normal. It happens to me, and all of that. And part of it is even why I'm doing this $50 challenge on growing it to at least $1,000. So to help build my confidence level with my strategy. So that's the whole idea. So please, if you know you are just joining this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I'm still trying to grow my channel. And a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial I'm not a financial analyst. I'm just someone who enjoys trading the market for hobby. I love trading. I could stay all night learning the market structures and all of that. You know, I do that a lot. So uh, trading is just something I do for fun. And I'm hoping to build my skill level of how to take high quality trade, and help people like you, my subscriber, to also make money out of the forex market. I was soon going to be dropping another video on what I think about the gold uh, price movement today, but at the moment this is actually for my pounds USD, because I'm already on my demand zone on the daily chart. So that's why I am dropping this video right now. So let's quickly go back to the chart. So on the chart here, this is the 4 hours chart. You can really see that, yes, we are really in the demand zone. I could draw out the demand zone on the 4 hours. So we are really in the demand zone. And so let me also put this into perspective. So if you are more of an aggressive trader, you could leave your stop loss around this level here. And the reason is this: if you're wrong, you're wrong. You don't want to keep your account bleeding till this point here. So that's another stuff about when I started trading from the beginning. But sometimes this is not to your advantage. The reason is, well, it could be to your advantage, but sometimes it might not be to your advantage. And the reason is this: you find out that there are some trades that actually comes to this part. They would actually run as far as this, and all of a sudden, after they have cleared the people here, the next thing you see, they are going back up. So, but if you, and that means you have lost some of your, your money on your trading account. But if you have it here and the market still comes back to your favor, that means you didn't lose any money. So that's what I feel. So it serves both good and it serves bad, because sometimes it could actually run down like this and then continue running, and then still come to hit this stop loss, and you're like, damn, I would have closed this trade a long time ago. So it's just what suits you. So that's the thing about um, where you want to have your stop loss. So I just felt like I should bring that up. So on my 1 hour chart, the 1 hour chart is still live. We're waiting to see if the market would really go back up. So I just saw something on the 1 hour chart, and let me explain that to you. So I'm planning on taking in another entry just because of what I saw on the 1 hour chart. Also, if I add in another entry, I would reduce my stop loss tighter. And the reason is because now I have increased my risk. So when I increase my risk like that, I tighten my stop loss even more, because yeah, I think you get the check. Let me explain what I mean by that. So if my stop loss is here, which means that I am risking about $63 of my account, and now I'm adding in another entry, then I'm going to reduce both this one and my new entry a little bit tighter to somewhere around here. And the reason is simple, is because now I am sharing whatever I intend to lose. I was comfortable risking $65, but if I add more entry, then I reduce where my stop loss is, because I still want to stay within the $65 that I was willing to risk in the first place. So that's the idea of that having double entry. So I felt like I should put that up. So basically, right now, we're still watching the market. Now, I intend to take in the next entry at the close of this 15 minutes chart. Like I said, remember, I'm still on my, what's it called? I'm still in my demand level. So, yes, I'm still in my demand level, waiting to see what happens on that. So I will come back to this video again, but I'll have to, okay, quickly, let me put it like this. So that's my analysis for the pounds USD today. I would come back to show you guys what is already going on in the market. If I actually did add another entry, I'm going to show you guys. But quickly, I need to go to the gold market, and I would love to do that on a separate video. I don't want to do that on this say video. So I would say bye bye for now. See you on my new live trade analysis on gold. So bye bye for now, and see you on my next video. All right. Please like, subscribe, and yes, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. You could also drop your comment on whatever market you want us to help you analyze. It could be indices, it could be, I haven't traded oil, or it could be oil. I don't do much of commodity, but I do indices, I do gold and futures. So any of it, just kind of drop it on the comment below, and then I would see what I could do on that. All right. Bye bye for now. Have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful trading week. Bye bye.